This is Tech Tuning in 21, and I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage. Technology fluently. So man, I just got to give a shout out and thank you to Rocky from Lender Homepage, and specifically also the developer Helio. Man, we made so much progress. I can't wait to show you. Lending pad and top of mind integrated. So I had to handwrite it, and so much has happened in the last week. I just wanted to write on here, so please forgive the somewhat ghetto-ness in my layout. So again, we're just creating the perfect ecosystem, right? And so sort of fundamentally, you take your LOS, lending pad, you take your pricing engine, lender price, and then your POS, right? That's sort of the core to any ecosystem, or should be. I know some other people start the marketing, but this is these are fundamentals, okay? What's a beautiful thing, as we know, is Lender Homepage and Loansify, and now an app. I'll throw that out here at some point. It's really, in my opinion, kind of here, web-based or app-based. Completely integrate. I can't wait to show you the app and the things that we're doing to that. It is insane. It's so exciting. Something cool, I know, we'll see, but Top of Mind and Mortgage Coach are already integrated, so I thought we were going to have to find a really hard way to bring them in somewhere through here, long and painful, but they already play, and the fact they are here now, so we sort of have a conduit to bring them in. Endorsements, amazing. You'll see the widget here in a bit, and how very quickly a single LO shop can get 300 reviews in 3 years. Endorsements. And they've already been like, yeah, we'll play, we integrate with people. So whichever one, once we hit the core 3 and we're solid, we'll bring them in very quickly. And then, as you know, game over, right, is then the wholesalers. And so this is actively being done in a couple different angles. So anyway, sort of an overview of L3, the perfect mortgage ecosystem. So really what we're here to see today, websites completely optimized now for both mobile and additionally, here, let me get rid of this really fast. So optimized not only for both mobile and desktop based. You know, just my margins a little bit right here. I messed with it last night and obviously pushed it over too far. But anyway, I had it perfectly in the middle. You can see calls to action. So remember, call to actions, we'll dig in a little bit. Why I'm great, proof of performance, right? Raving reviews, all that fun stuff, and then some tech. And I'm excited to show you some of the new tech and the new layout. So home, like normal, bolded, calculators. Instead of a blog, we do a vlog. This is new that we've sort of changed it up. It's under construction, so people like to know who they're working with. For us as a little shop, we're just gonna do LO, processor and assistant, so we'll do videos and bios on everybody. But here's the cool stuff, right? You want to drive everybody to your website. You want to drive everybody to your app, and that's it, right? Consistently, realtor, client, escrow, anybody, everybody just drive them to your app. And you need that application or website to be the main portal for everything. So at this point, POS and website are now integrated right here. Sign in, literally, your realtors, your clients, wherever, not a separate portal, not a separate link, not a separate wherever. Just, you can always go straight to the application or the app, website, done, okay? And of course it pops up a new page, so your website's already there. Where else? So we can also just drive them to getting started, right? Just digital end-to-end, right? It just drives them to a call action. Get started, same thing. It's gonna take them right to your application. Point of sale, simple. All right, get your app. So like we just talked about, everything's from one site, one place only, not separate links, not separate ways. So, like it should be, it's smart, it knows Apple or Android. So, it'll download your app right there. Again, my realtors love this. You could put the widget for your pricing right there. If you notice, it matches perfectly. Get your app, get started, LOS. This is for the pricing, so we are, as of last night, about midnight, and then so far, chatter went into about 3 a.m. this morning. I see lender price and Loansify setting up right now for us to talk developers, and then how to kind of bring this in even cleaner, better, and throw it in the POS as well. So just so you know, like this is so soon, like we're almost there. Proof of performance, right? So as you can see, it's been perfected. The margins, the borders, everything are perfect, everything between. Kind of the game over is there's going to be landing pages for some of the awards and things. I'm just going to drop a seed. Landing pages automatically built, so if you earn certain things, like it's just integrated in the system. So I won't go into too many details because man. Okay, endorsements, remember everything all in one, right? So here's the widget that we have for endorsements. Again, 302 reviews, 4.98 stars. So we've had 300 5-star reviews and 2 4-star reviews. 3 years. It's completely automated, like amazing. Coming down into some more tools finally. So again, tools, raving reviews, proof of performance, can validate you're the best in the world, and then 2 last tools. I get a lot of clients that are either very digital, right? Like we're talking digital end to end, meaning they want to drive, they want to do it themselves, they want to tailor the loan, we're giving it the perfection, they want to be able to do the analysis and see the mortgage coach, see the product analysis, tailor it, do it, have the tech, the tools, send it through, pull their own credit, and then we just run AUS and submit it to lender. Lock, easy, right? Awesome, love that. You do all the heavy lifting. Then I have other people, and we're like, I don't even want to be on the computer, I'm 90 years old, or whatever, just, I hate the computer, it doesn't matter the age, truly. Just call me. So when they get here, just name a few basic things, we pick up the phone, we call them. But again, most people are mobile now. We know that's the future, right? So very clean in case they don't get it up here. Here's exactly what it looks like. It'll show your app, it'll be your face, your brand, tiles, perfect. And again, it's optimized. I'll just show it really quick because it's on my desktop, of course. The cool thing and the most important things is literally every day, your realtors, your clients can go there and see immediately what the rates are. But also, no swiping, no scrolling, it's optimized perfectly. Get started and get your rates. The call to action is there on the home screen. There's no swiping, there's no looking for it. And so, just last night, how I used this to win, right? So I used on my point of sale, sent out the link, a more mature veteran, and he's like, I don't see it. I'm like, check your spam. He couldn't find a spam transaction or loan was gonna stop. And I had to get his app quickly because he wanted to make an offer on a house. So finally I'm like, can you just go to my website? Do you see the blue button from your phone? Yep, push it, get started. Now that you're enrolled, jump back on the desktop, finish your application. So tools, right? And then of course the legal stuff on the bottom. But reminder, in terms of the home page, the template's done. It's finished. I mean, once I move this over just a tiny little tick, it's done. This is the best of the best. This is the #1 brokers format, the #1 retail lenders format, the #1 wholesale lenders format, the #1 VA lenders format. So taking the simple, the driving to action, the proof of concept or testimonials, and then we actually give them some stuff nobody else has, right? So we took what they had and then we took it to a whole nother level. So using that template that works and is clean and they've won, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We just make it a little bit better. We make it our own tailored, templated, so super fast, super easy. You're out the door with the perfection. But what do people care about, right? Cash to close and down payment. There's a wonderful cash to close, payment calculator. You can even put in homeowners insurance, millage rates, whatever you want in there. If there's homeowners insurance, credit scores, etc. I'm going to tie this into, or I should say we, ultimately it's usually a developer, not me, but I do some of it. Tile of it to landing pad, make sure it all talks together, right? Of course, easy. Branding for me, since I'm the red, white, blue, gray, black, I would just go blue, gray, red, black, mortgage insurance, ugly mortgage insurance, right? Never for VA, but it just be so clean, look so dialed. Great calculator, thank you, Rocky. Thank you, lender homepage. The standard stuff. Just this one I've shown before, but I'm so excited. At least for a very simple loan analysis calculator. For that digital end-to-end where they don't want to have to think a lot. And they're like, okay, I'm going to do an URL. If it were today, I'm going from 3 1/4 Should I take the 275 and have humongous credit, or should I go at 225 for just a tick of a cost today? Don't know. Great. Again, it would carry in the actual data from the first one, but it's an amazing calculator and start. Let's use real numbers. Let's say the loan amounts. Sure. Interest rate. So we're looking at a 275 versus a 225, and right now it takes 2 points. Again, time value of money, right? You know, in a savings account right now, they're probably gonna get a 1% return for 30 years. So right here, hey, simple, right? For the 2 points, for the 0.5% drop in rate, for the difference in the payment savings, it'll take you 6 years, 10 months. Super clean, right? Just give them it. They can tailor it, they can perfect it, they can pick it so that when you actually get the app, you already have it structured, you know, the lender, like, just operationally just perform. Simple. So, yeah, for 90% of the people, I mean, that's sufficient. So amazing. In terms of the vlog, we do mostly video stuff. I mean, you guys know. Market Mondays, great news. We've already integrated this into the POS, the app already. I'm trying to, I'd love some feedback. Would it be valuable to maybe somehow be able to link this to YouTube and they can opt in and then throw those vlogs automatically to their phone? That'd be so cool, right? Like little pop up each day. So for market updates, we do a VA educational series every Thursday. Whatever it is, your tech tuning, right? Whatever you do for your blogging or vlogging. But yeah, that's, the site's basically done, right? Like we gotta come in and fix some stuff in the back end, but really now at this point, it's all about, so the homepage is dialed, it's structurally done. Really the next part is to get lender price and lender homepage together. Then we go to the POS as well. But the second this is perfected and then it's fully integrated, then the calculators, the loan analysis, like it's game over on this. Then we get it into the app, and later we'll talk about the next key. So like this is what the borrowers want, right? Digital end-to-end, don't talk to me. This is Rocket Mortgage's how they won on steroids, right? It's beyond them. It shocks the entire nation, not just one lender. But just wait till you see what we're already working on and have half perfected what the realtors are asking for. Like their number one goal and wish, we're already working on. So they'll have it on a desktop just from the sign in, or they need to just go get your app, and then they're gonna wanna keep your app for life. So can't wait to give you that. All right, guys. So again, huge shout out and thank you. Just in a really busy time, just Rocky and his team and all they've done between the website, the POS, and then that mobile app, incredible. Tuning your tech, L3, the perfect mortgage ecosystem. I'm Chris Bettis. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Most importantly, don't forget to tune your own tech.